Solar-powered security cameras will turn your front yards into fortresses, and now thieves don't stand a chance. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech hub. These sun-fueled watchdogs are exploding in popularity, and for good reason. They're powerful, low-maintenance, and almost impossible to disable. More than half of US homes now have security cameras, but the newest obsession is solar-powered ones, like the Google Nest, Amazon Ring, Arlo Pro 6, and more. Unlike battery cams that die at the worst possible moment, or wired cams that need drilling and outlets, solar cameras run on free energy from the sky. A built-in or attached panel absorbs sunlight, converts it to power, and stores it in a rechargeable battery for cameras running all night. Even during a blackout, these things stay awake. Plus, they're wireless, so no cords, no electricians, no weekly battery swaps. Just mount it, connect Wi-Fi, and let the sun handle the rest. But before you hit add to cart, there are a few things to watch for. A higher wattage panel charges faster, which is key in cloudy climates. A wide field of view is a must for catching shady visitors, and motion alerts can instantly ring your phone when something moves. Many models sync with smart home tech like Alexa, letting you pull up your camera feed even on TV. And while some cameras require a monthly subscription for video storage, others work just fine without one. Currently, Google Nest, Ring, and Arlo dominate the solar scene, offering HD resolution, strong night vision, two-way audio, and even floodlights to expose anyone creeping around after dark. So, which one are you choosing? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.